next lesson deals with increases and decreases in debits and credits. If an account generally has a debit balance, like assets and expenses, then when you increase that account, it will result from a debit entry. Likewise, decreases to that account will result in a credit entry. Let's use cash again as an example. Let's say that we already have $20,000 from our initial investment. As you can see, $20,000 a debit in cash, $20,000 a credit in owner's equity. But let's say we need to borrow $7,000 for business operations. Everything gets approved, so we have to record it in our entry after we get the check. We're going to show that we have an additional amount of cash of $7,000. And we also have now a note payable of $7,000. By recording the cash as a debit, we have now increased cash $7,000. So an increase in an asset is a debit entry. Now at the same time, we also have to record the credit, which is notes payable of $7,000. Notes payable is a liability, so we increase liabilities with credits. Okay, now that we've added more cash, let's take a quick look and see if our accounting equation is still in balance. We have A equals L plus OE. We know our A is the assets of cash, $27,000. Our liabilities are $7,000. Our OE is $20,000. So 27 equals 27. Okay, now suppose that the business has to buy equipment. So we have to enter it into the accounting records. So the entry would be equipment for $2,000, and we paid cash for it, so we're going to credit cash for $2,000. Now look what happens. We have an increase in an asset right here on the equipment for $2,000, but we have a decrease in cash for $2,000. Okay, we have a chance to buy some additional equipment for $3,000, and the good news is that we can get it on credit. So we have to record it again as equipment, and the credit side is going to be accounts payable, because we're not going to spend any cash this time. So the price is $3,000 debit, $3,000 credit. Here's your credit, and here is your debit.